If you are hosting for the holidays this year and you need to get the house in order, there are some quick fixes and some tasks to avoid as we approach Christmas. We are joined this morning by designer Tami, host of Inside Out on Como News Radio Saturday mornings. Always great to have you.
Thank you.
We are talking today about the do-it-yourself.
Absolutely.
And don't
do it yourself. You know, stay in your lane. If you've never done this before and you're expecting company, this is not the time to take on something you think might be easy. For example, these cabinets are ugly. Let's just paint them. Terrible idea. You really have to remove all the cabinet doors, prep extensively. Not a good quick fix. What I would say is new towels, new candles, new area rugs. Leave it at that. Some flowers.
Draw attention away from the ugly kitchen with something else. Not trying to make the kitchen pretty.
And then the other thing is bathrooms. People think they're easy to paint. They're the worst because you have sinks, you have to remove the toilet, all those angles. It's just a very difficult room to paint. That should not be a quick fix and paint.
Yeah. What about things that you can do, like an accent wall?
Yes. I love to say yes to one accent wall because that's something you can tape off and get done in one day. And you know what? After the holidays, if you hate it, you can just paint over it. It was just paint. So I think it's something that people, it can make a dramatic difference.
That's nice, by the way. I like that color.
I think it is, too. And it gets a wow. And it's easy, and you can do that one.
Another don't do it yourself. Faucets.
I call this the $20,000 faucet. I'm just going to go down to the box store, remove the faucet, replace it. Takes a special wrench. Then you look at the sink. Well, that's ugly. Then you look at the cabinet, the vanity. You're replacing that. Then you go, well, now it goes with the tile. You're up to 20 grand and trying to get...
Really?
Oh, very quickly. Have a plan. Stay in a budget. Do it after the holidays.
My fear is always I'm going to take a faucet off, and next thing you know, you're going to have the fountain of water spraying everywhere.
You can, and that's why I say put that one off. But, you know, I like the things that you can do.
Yes.
And I think that's important. So first impressions matter. A few fresh flowers, you know, potted flowers outside. You and I were talking sweep. I know. And just clean everything up a little bit, and I think it'll look a lot better. But a few flowers go a long way.
And that's just around the entryway.
Yes.
Just welcoming making your home more inviting to your guests.
New welcome mat, all those things. Just keep it simple.
And that's exactly it. Sometimes it's just the little things that make the biggest difference.
It is. And the greatest thing is joy when they walk in your home. Be happy to see your guests.
Exactly. Well, Tami, thank you so much. And an early happy Thanksgiving to you.
Thank you. Same to you.
We'll be right back.